Have you ever asked yourself, what's it like to stay in a Japanese business hotel? Let me show you. The Japanese Business Hotel. Think of it as the super convenient cousin of the regular hotel. Started in 1966 in Kyoto by Hotel Hokke Club's Businessman's Hotel Hokke Club campaign, with one goal: no frills, all comfort. This is basically it. My back is to the door, but it really has everything you need. It's a pretty big double bed. There's a bunch of different options, which is really nice, but I got the double because I wanted a little bit more comfort. The pillows could be a little better. They're those, you've probably heard some stories about these, but they're a little on the thin side, but at least they gave me 4 of them. Last hotel I was in literally gave me just this thin one, and it was a tough few days, but it worked. It was exactly what I needed. Also, not every view is great. I mean, Tokyo Tower's like over that way. That would have been kind of nice. You get yourself a nice desk that you can sit down, do your work at. It's really not a lot, but it's perfect for anything that you need. The chair has wheels on it. You're not struggling with anything. It's always nice to have a little something. Of course, amenities. Listen, the Japanese food, konbini, and coffee scene is literally out of this world. Go for a walk, and just trust me, go for a walk, and you will not regret it. You got some tissues, laundry bag, and for those of you that need it, a hairdryer. Also, if you're here, there's a pretty good chance that allergies, maybe getting sick. You never know. Konbinis have a bunch of stuff. This is one of my favorite things. They've got vitamin C drinks, and they're pretty good. Don't have too much of them because they will upset your stomach. That's what happened to me. This and the vitamin energy jellies are awesome. Game changer. Just don't overdo it. Kettle for your water. Books and magazines that I can't read still. Oh, of course. Yukata. Style. The yukata. It's the casual version of the kimono. You've most definitely seen them in anime, especially during the summer festival episodes. But did you know it actually means bathing cloth? It was for the communal bath or the onsen towns. A lot of business hotels have a communal bath or an onsen in it. A nice big TV, it's got whatever you need. It's got a bunch of free videos on it that you can watch as well. And there's also, the fun ads that you get to watch. Wi-Fi, it's what you need. They also hook you up with obviously a hanging area. There's no closet, right? But they give you hangers so you can hang up your suits and stuff like that and whatever else you need, pants, which is nice. And now you might be asking yourself, what about the bathroom? Here it is, a classic Japanese bath. You got yourself a soaking tub, which is really nice. The shower is in it. The pressure actually is pretty good. Really surprised. I wish I left this steamy for you. All these mirrors leave a gap right here for you. I don't know if we do that in the States, but we really should. I am a little sad that this doesn't open up. That's like the one thing that I really loved about Japan is when I came in here and it was just like, oh. But this one doesn't do that, unfortunately. But that's okay. Bidets, don't forget to clean your booty. We've got ourselves some more cups. They give you a bunch of razors. They refill this all the time. Combs, Q-tips, toothbrush, toothpaste, cotton swabs, shower caps. By the way, Japanese toothpaste, it's just not it. If you're coming from somewhere else, bring your favorite toothpaste and bring enough. I ran out. Here's a fun little piece of engineering. Wash your hands, fill the tub. Wash your hands, fill the tub. Easy, simple, it's great. It can get really hot, which is really nice. And then this is just the shower side. Oh, let's not do that. And potentially a question that's on everyone's mind. Where do you store the suitcases? Well, under the bed, there's storage space. So you can fit literally up to probably 4 suitcases if you really want to. I have my handbag and both my suitcases, and they even give you this nice little tote that you can fill up. Use it if you want, or dare, I don't know. There's a metric crap ton of outlets in here, which is really nice. Because that's always a struggle. Just make sure you bring the right converter, because I didn't do that. A nice origami crane, and right underneath that is a nice control panel with 2 more outlets, a USB charger, and this is the whole AC system. If it works, you can go as cold as you want, as fast. This fan speed in here is the low is perfect, by the way, just letting you know. But you get to control the bed light from here, which is nice. The bathroom light. the whole room light, and then the desk light. And of course, the good old-fashioned good night button. So that is a very brief, hopefully detailed walkthrough of a Japanese business hotel. Vitamin C drinks, try them out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the little bell button subscription thingy. And I'll see you in the next one.